is a little one because the reason is I'm feeding him with a dropper so that he can eat a little bit, because the bigger ones, they have 4 other big birds which I cannot feed them. They are already so big. This is the little one. Actually is very minute, very little. So I'm feed him with by hand, so this way he can survive, because the other babies, I can show you, these babies, they are big. They are big, so they might not let him eat, or they are able to the mother feed them. And the little one is probably not eating food because maybe he's hiding under these big brothers and sisters. So these are 4 of them here. They are big. They are already getting so big. See? And the little one, he is very little. I'm feeding him by hand, you know. I'm feeding him with the dropper. Yeah. So I feed him with a dropper. I buy the food, baby food. So this way he can eat a little bit, you know. So I show you the parents. The parents are here. This is the dad. He's very dangerous. She's the mother. Sorry, she's the mother. She's looking for the babies because I close the door. So she's the mother. She's the mother. They are Quaker babies, and that's the dad. See, that's the dad there. So I just wanna make sure, you know. So I'm gonna put back the little one because I feed him already. This little guy, I feed him already. So he's a little guy. Very little compared to those ones. Those are big. You know, look how what difference is. He's so tiny, and the other ones are big, and that's why I'm feeding him with hand. Maybe the bigger ones are opening their mouth, and when the parents are feeding them, so the little one is maybe hiding or cannot open the mouth because he's so small, because the other one's so big compared to this guy. He's so tiny. So that's why I feed by hand.